Vivo X90 and X90 Pro announced with Dimensity 9200 and 120W charging.
The latest Vivo X series flagships are now official and they bring refinements across the board compared to their predecessors. The Vivo X90 and X90 Pro are powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 chipset and bring impressive cameras and blazing fast charging speeds. Starting with the displays, both new X90 models get 6.78-inch curved AMOLED screens with QHD+ resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The panels output 10-bit colors and crank out up to 1300 nits peak brightness. The camera department on the X90 is headlined by the 50MP Sony IMX866 with an f/1.75 lens and OIS. There's a 12MP ultra-wide module, Sony IMX663, and a second 12MP IMX663 used for telephoto purposes with 2x optical zoom. X90 Pro gets upgraded to the 1-inch Sony IMX989 main sensor with a wide f/1.75 aperture just like the Pro Plus model. You also get 48MP ultra-wide camera with a Sony IMX598 sensor and a pair of telephoto modules, a 50MP IMX758 portrait lens, 50mm equivalent, and a 64MP periscope module with a 90mm equivalent lens with 3.5x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom. The X90 series also gets Vivo's in-house V2 ISP chip for image processing and improved low-light shots. The Vivo X90 packs a 4,810 mAh dual-cell battery, while the X90 Pro gets 4,870 mAh capacity. Both phones offer 120W wired charging. The X90 Pro gets the additional benefit of 50W wireless charging, provided you have the proprietary Vivo 50W wireless charger handy. The software side is handled by Origin OS 3. Vivo X90 comes in black, blue and red colors. Pricing starts at 3,699 Chinese yuan, $518, for the 8/128GB trim and goes up to 4,999 Chinese yuan, $700, for the 12/512GB version. Vivo X90 Pro is available in black and red colors. The 8/256GB entry-level version starts at 4,999 Chinese yuan, $700, while the top-tier 12/512GB model is going for 5,999 Chinese yuan, $840. Both Vivo X90 and X90 Pro are on pre-order in China starting today, while open sales begin on December 6. International availability and pricing will be detailed at a later point.